Welcome to Digital Access Pass. My name is Veena Prashant. Today what I want to do is show you how easy it is to set up a brand new membership site using DAP. Now say that you're new to membership sites and you want to use DAP to create your products and you want to set up your entire membership site using DAP. I'm going to show you step by step from installation to activation to how you can use DAP to easily get started, with your membership site in no time. Let's take a look. So after you purchase DAP, you're going to get a welcome email from us with your login details. Log in using those credentials and you will get sent to a page that looks something like this. And here under the Downloads tab, you can see there are two things here. Your DAP license key. Make sure to grab this because you're going to need this to run DAP on your site, to use DAP on your site. So make sure to grab your license key. Click on this and it's going to give you your license key. And the other thing is the DAP Easy Installer plugin. This is all you need to install DAP and activate it on your site. So download it. When you download it, you can see it downloads it to your desktop. And the next step is to go back to your site, to your WordPress site. And there you can upload this to your site and follow the steps there to install it. Let's do this now. Now log into your WordPress site, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and upload the Easy Installer plugin. Here I have done that. You can see here DAP Installer is right here. I have activated it. So the next step after you activate it, you will see under Settings, you will find Easy Installer. Click on it and it will bring you here to the DAP Installer. Enter your license key here. Now this is the license key you got from the members area on the DAP site. So enter that here and click on Save License. That's it. Your license is saved. It's accepted. If it's not the correct license, it will let you know here. So the next step is to click on this button here that says click here to install DAP. It will take a few seconds to complete the installation. All right, you can see DAP installation is complete. And just one thing you have to do, this is something you just have to do once after you install DAP for the first time on your site, which is this cron installation. Now, if you're not sure how to do this, all you have to do is open a support ticket and say, I need help with cron installation and we'll help you install it. All right, but otherwise, it's actually pretty straightforward. This is something that is scheduled in your hosting cPanel. And this will allow DAP to run scheduled tasks, such as broadcasts or email autoresponders and stuff like that. So make sure to set up this cron in your hosting cPanel. So all you have to do is grab this and go to your hosting cPanel. Let me show you how I do this in SiteGround. So this is SiteGround, and here under devs, you can see cron jobs. Now, even if you don't use SiteGround, you should find something that says job scheduler or cron job in your hosting cPanel. Click on it and set up the command. Just copy what you got from DAP right here and set this up to run once every hour. That's it. All right. Create, and cron is set up now. That's it. And again, if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We'll take care of this for you. That's it. DAP installation is complete. Now, one more thing I want to show you quickly. This is something Easy Installer does this for you. You don't have to do it, but if you go to the plugins page, you will notice now that there is this plugin, Digital Access Pass Live Links. This is something you need. So do not deactivate this. DAP needs this plugin to manage all the WordPress shortcodes, login, member pages, everything, and content protection. So this is a key part of DAP. Do not disable this plugin. Now the DAP installer, this is the one we used just now to install DAP. After you have installed it, you don't need this. If you don't want this anymore, you can deactivate it. You can delete this plugin. Totally fine. Nothing's going to happen. Because once you have installed DAP on your site, you can go to the DAP dashboard. Let me show you here. And right here, you can see upgrade. You can upgrade DAP from here, right? So you don't need to use Easy Installer. Once you have installed DAP, you can just upgrade from here. But if you have Easy Installer, then one more thing you can do with it is if you ever want to downgrade or roll back DAP to the previous version, you can do this using Easy Installer. All right, so initially when you go to Easy Installer, it lets you install a new version of DAP. After you have already installed DAP, if you go back there, this is the interface now, where it will let you upgrade to a different version or downgrade back to a different version. You can do this through the Easy Installer. And again, just follow the steps to downgrade DAP, downgrade live links, and you're done. All right, you don't need to, but if you want to, you can keep Easy Installer around. That's up to you. This is the back end of DAP. You can access DAP from the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. You can see here, click on it. It'll bring you here. This is a DAP setup wizard. And also, if you decide to close it and you want to come back to this later, that's fine. You can click on this right here, wizard in the menu, and it'll bring you back here. All right, so the welcome message, start. So here, you can create member-facing pages for your membership site. You're running a membership site using DAP, which means you are going to probably have products, courses, content that you want to be able to protect using DAP. And you want a login page where your members can log in from and access whatever it is that they have purchased from you, right? It could be courses, challenges, memberships, trainings, freebies, whatever, right? Whatever you offer from your membership site, these are all behind a login wall, and you want to be able to create a login page. So these are some of the first things you need to do when you start a membership site. Create these basic member-facing pages. Login page will allow your users to be able to log in and access the content they have purchased from you or they have signed up for. Member dashboard is where DAP will figure out who the member is, and DAP will know what they have purchased from you or what they have signed up for, and it will automatically show them the right products, right, based on whatever it is they have signed up for. That's what a member dashboard will allow you to do. It will allow you to automatically show your members what they have, and you can also use this as an opportunity to upsell stuff that you have that your members may not be even aware exists, right? Or they may not have signed up for it yet. So you can display all of that in the member dashboard, and you can get DAP to create a member dashboard page for you using the wizard. And my content is where you can just list all the content that you have in your membership site. Now, if you use a member dashboard, you may not need a my content, but this is something that's really useful if you offer membership, right? Say that you have a monthly plan, annual plan. As part of the monthly plan, say that you are adding ongoing content. That's part of the monthly plan or annual plan. So they get access to all of this content as part of the membership. So how do they find the list of all the content that's available to them as part of their membership? You can do that using my content. All of this is dynamic, right? DAP knows what product they have, what membership they have. It will automatically show them the right stuff. You don't have to worry about, how to make sure that it shows them the right thing. That's what DAP does. So here, just get it to create all of these pages for you, right? My account is where they can update their billing details, contact details, password, all that stuff. So make sure to create a My Account page. An error page. Error page is what your users are going to see if they try to access premium content. If they are not logged in, or they are logged in, but they have not signed up for your premium content that they are trying to access, DAP will show them a message that says, sorry, you don't have access. This is how you can get access. All of this can be fully customized in the DAP backend. We have just made it easy for you to get started here. DAP will create these pages for you. Just give it a name. DAP will create it for you in WordPress, and you can always update it, right? So get DAP to create it for you using the default settings. And then you see here, it says member facing pages. When you go there, you will find all of these pages. After you get DAP to create it for you, you will find all these pages here, right? Right now, there is nothing here under member facing pages because we have not done that step yet. But once you do it, it's going to all show up here, and you can edit whatever you want to edit, right? You can update the settings. You can configure it to do different things. You can update the colors, theme, everything. So let's go back here and go ahead and create these pages. So I'm going to call it login. You can give it any name you want. Member home, my content, profile, error. So I'm going to go ahead and save. You can see here it says added successfully. All the member pages are now ready. Now if you go back to the member facing pages, you can see here all these pages are here. So now DAP has created all of these pages. If you go to the DAP member facing pages, you will find all these pages and you can edit the settings. So the next step is products. Now here, all we have done here is documentation, right? So if you want to see how DAP works, you can watch this video, and let's create an online course, right? So if you are trying to create an online course using DAP and you want to quickly figure out how to do it, then just watch this video, right? DAP has several options. You can watch this video and it will show you different options and how you can quickly and easily create your online courses using DAP, right? And the next one, digital product download. This is a really great video that will show you exactly how to sell your digital products downloads using DAP, and also how you can create and offer lead magnets, freebies from your membership site using DAP, how you can create it step by step, everything that you need to know in terms of how to create and offer paid products or digital products from your membership site. You can do it. Now, DAP is a membership plugin for WordPress. It's an LMS plugin for WordPress, but you can use DAP for everything, pretty much everything. You can use it for your freebies. You can use it for your paid products. You can use it for your memberships, free trial, paid trial, payment plans. You can do it all using DAP. So this one will show you exactly how to do one-off paid products or freebies using DAP. So you can watch this video for that. Membership tiers, right? You can use DAP to offer multiple membership tiers. How to do it, what's the best way to do it, how you can optimize your settings so that you don't have to recreate all the stuff that you want to offer as part of different tiers. You will learn that in this video. So be sure to watch it if you want to do different membership tiers, silver, gold, platinum, basic, pro, elite, whatever, right? Whatever you want to call it. And if you want to offer different things with each tier, watch this video and it will show you exactly how to do it. Now, the next one, user flow. user access. If you want to understand the entire membership site experience for your new members, be sure to watch this one, and it'll show you exactly step by step what happens from the time people sign up, where they go to sign up, how do they sign up, and how you can create a registration form for your freebie. How do you create a payment button for your paid products? Where do you publish it? What happens next after they sign up? And what do they see in their member dashboard? Everything. All right. So you can watch this one for user flow. In this video, you will learn how to create a great user experience for your members. So be sure to watch this. And all the rest of the documentation you will find here. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I publish a lot of videos that you will find helpful. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do so, especially if you have a membership site and you're looking to build and grow and scale your membership site. You will find a lot of helpful videos there. So now let's talk about payment options. You're running a membership site. You need a way to collect payments, right? And it could be for your memberships. It could be for one-off products. So here you can connect DAP with our shopping cart plugin. We call it Smart Pay Cart, which is a plugin made for DAP. And you can easily connect it with DAP. And Smart Pay Cart has its own wizard, which will allow you to easily set up payment buttons to sell the products that you have created in DAP. It will take you less than a minute to create payment buttons and start selling your products using DAP. It's super simple. And it has its own setup wizard. So all you have to do is go to Smart Pay Cart and access the wizard, follow the steps, and you will have payment buttons to sell your product that you have created in DAP. And because SPC is a plugin made for DAP, you don't have to recreate your products in SPC again, right? Because it knows what products you have. You can just select the product and easily create a payment button to sell it. And SPC integrates with PayPal, with Stripe, with Authorize.net. You can use any of these payment gateways to be able to sell your products, your memberships, your courses, whatever you offer from your membership site. And also, if you don't want to use SPC, that's totally fine because DAP integrates with several other external platforms as well. And that's it. Final summary. What do you want to create today? Want to create membership? Click here. Want to create a course? Click here. Want to create a paid product? Click here. Paid product is like any digital product, PDF, ebook, whatever it is that you want to sell for a one-time fee, select this. If you want to create a freebie, lead magnet, use this. Group account, group membership, challenge, use this. In my case, I offer several challenges from my site called Membership Site Challenge, but in fact, I use a course template to create and offer my challenges. You can do both. DAP comes with an amazing challenge builder. You can use the challenge template or you can use the course template to create and offer your challenges as well. So you can see there are so many different options. You're not sure which one to pick. You can just say, go to dashboard and it will take you there. You can follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join our Facebook community where you will find a lot of people who have membership sites and use DAP to build and grow it. We'll be able to connect with other DAPers like you, and documentation you'll find here. So let's say go to dashboard. Here, this is the DAP products page. You can also access all of this from here if you want. And you can see there are 2 example products, but whatever you want to create, right? You can go here, go to products, click on memberships products, click on create a new product, select whatever it is that you want to create, follow the steps and set it all up. I'm not going to go over the details of how to create a product, how to create membership, because as I showed you, we have documentation that will show you exactly how to do it, but it's really easy to do this using DAP. Let's say you want to just create a product, just click on it, give it any name you want. Let's say you're calling it digital product, save. And it'll bring you to this product builder. And all you have to do is follow the step-by-step process in this builder to create your product. All right. I'm not going to go over the details of how to set up different products, how to set up memberships, all that, because as I showed you, we have different videos where you will learn exactly how to do it, or you can just do it because it's super simple. Everything is a step-by-step process. That's it. As you can see, it's really easy to get started with DAP using DAP Easy Installer. Use it to install DAP, activate DAP, and then use the setup wizard to get started with DAP. And if you're not sure how to do something, there are videos that will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let us know. My name is Veena Prashant. Be sure to join my Facebook group if you are not there already. It's not for support, but you can ask any generic questions you have about DAP, about memberships, about marketing, about list building, and I'll be happy to answer it for you. You will also be able to hang out with other membership site users like you. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions for me. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.